Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting in Autocad, type options, or open the application menu to reach the options dialog now. Make sure your current workspace is saved so you can revert if needed. Once the options window appears, move immediately to the Display or System tab where Appearance Settings live. You're taking the first actionable step. Don't linger on General Preferences. Focus on Appearance Controls so you can switch theme settings in the next step. Now change the theme. In the Display or Appearance section, locate Color Theme or UI Theme and select Dark. This toggles interface colors and palette defaults, so your drawing area and tool palettes adopt the dark background. After selecting Dark, click Apply to preview and OK to finalize. Make sure your active workspace remains the one you saved earlier, because some workspaces store color settings. If not, save this workspace again. Finish by restarting Autocad so all palettes and ribbon elements refresh with the dark theme. Once restarted, save the updated workspace and export it if you want the same setup on another machine. If something looks off, icons too dark or drawing colors inverted, reset your Autocad profile or check graphics performance settings. Also update your GPU drivers and verify hardware acceleration. If necessary, revert to your saved workspace and reapply the dark theme more selectively to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.